Honey UKRAINiSATION.
Yeah. So this is homemade Uzvar.
It's very nice.
You drink and then eat. It's горілка. And this. You know that.
I like these.
So this is pancakes with the meat, James. With this one. You need it with this one. James, you needed this one. With yes.
What's this?
This is sour cream.
That's what that's.
So what do you think about this?
I think it's really nice, but I need to try it.
Живчик.
What is it?
It's Живчик. It's Живчик.
It's nice, but it tastes like kind of apple tap water.
Yes, it's Живчик. This is one type, this is another type. This is not always like this one. Sometimes they also like this one.
It's got brown. It's like a big roll.
This is the flour with honey.
Hot.
Cheesy and jammy.
Cheesy and jammy. You know, you're putting...
Yeah, but
I'm starting to understand that you're...
but not.
Yeah. I've come to a conclusion about Ukrainian food.
What is this?
Your soup's really bloody good. Yeah? Your main dishes, okay. Some are really, really good. Some
No, you're not eating our main dishes yet.
Okay, I'm not having main dishes.
Yes, you're not
Okay,
having
your
yet.
savoury pancakes are very, very good. Okay? Your sweet pudding, the pancakes and the weird stuff you gave me last time, yeah? Bad. Okay? Cheese.
Сырники. It was сырники.
Cheese is not a pudding.
It was
Okay,
not pudding. It was
I
сырники.
don't know what it is. Cheese is not a pudding.
So he not like cheese and сырники. He generally not understand what is a сырники, and I see that this is he not understand.